Hello guys, welcome. Now we will discuss about the question called find the difference. Question number 389. So let's jump into the question. We are given two strings S and T. T is generated by random shuffling of S. Okay. S and T. Two strings. Now T is generated from S by shuffling. We don't know how they shuffled and all. They're just saying shuffled. Okay, good. And then add one more letter at a random position. Oh, so S from S, T is generated. So plus a single character at random position. Okay. So there is one more character at random position, guys. So that is what this one more character is in single quotes. Return the letter that was added. Oh, okay. Very simple one. But tricky thing. So S and T are same except this one character. Except this one character, whatever that extra character that is added. Other than this, everything is same, SNT. But only thing is they are shuffled, and this is also at a random position in this state, at a random place, at a random position. Okay, we need to find out this extra character that has been added. So how we can solve this, guys? Think how we can solve this. Let's take an example before we actually think of an approach. Let's see S, T here, A, B, C, D are same as A, B, C, D, and the last character is the one that is repeated, and E. Don't think this every time answers will be the same, last character. Okay. Sometimes it can be different too, right? So, fine. Here you can see S is empty. So T is Y, which means this is the answer. Like S empty, T will also empty. Plus extra character. That is Y here. That's all. This should be the one that we need to return. I hope. Okay. Now, how we can do this, guys? How we can do this? Think of any approach. Think any approach. S and T are same except a single character. Except a single character. S and T are same. Okay. Now, how we can identify this extra character only? How? Okay, let me give you a clue. Give you a clue. We need to use ASCII values. Think in such a way. Using the ASCII values, we can solve this question, guys. Pause this video for a second. Just give it a thought. How we can use ASCII values? Along this clue, think one more thing. Only difference is only difference between two strings is what was the only difference? This one. So 2 points I've given. This is the first point is ASCII value. Second point is this. Only difference is this extra character. So between these two strings, the only difference is extra character. Everything are same. Everything are same. So pause this video for a second now and think about the approach, guys. Okay, assuming that you have paused this video and figured out some approach or anything, let me give you the point. So as I said, S and T are same, except this character. What I will do, I will count. I will count or or I will find sum of ASCII values. Sum of ASCII values for S string and sum of ASCII values for T string. And the difference is, and the difference is your answer. Difference is our answer. That's all, guys. Okay, you can think how this is the difference, how the difference is answer. Because because both are same except one character. So what will happen? So let's take S equal to A B, T equals to A, C, P. What was the extra character, guys? C. But with the thing that we discussed, we will see how we will get this extra character. So what is the sum of these two ASCII values? A's ASCII value is 97. B's ASCII value is 98. C is 99. Okay. 97 plus 98. How much, guys? I'm very bad in maths. Let's do this. And it is 195. Assuming yes. Okay. Sum of ASCII values of S is 195. Let's do the same thing for T also. It will be 97 plus 98 plus 99. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So it will be 294. So sum of T is 294. What is the difference between these two? What was the difference between these two, guys? How much? It is exactly 99, which is equivalent ASCII value is C. Equivalent ASCII value is character C. That's all, guys. That's a very simple one. I hope this is clear to you people, right? I can even do it in a better way also. What was the better way? Don't add both. Add S, subtract T, or add all the T. It will become 294. Okay, subtract A's ASCII value from 294. 294 minus 97, and you will get a value, and subtract B's ASCII value. And again, which is 98, minus, subtract this again, you will get 99 only again. Okay, so adding both and subtracting this both will give you the single characters ASCII value. You can ask me how we can get this, how we figured out this one, because both are same, right? Both are same. Only one thing is difference. So when you think this technically, even mathematically, if you think this one, only difference will come into picture, right? Both are same. They will be negotiated. Plus and minus. Plus 10, minus 10. Gone, right? This will become neutralized. Only remaining thing, whatever the plus thing is, that will be there. So that is how the approach is, guys. I hope the approach is clear to everyone. Now let's jump into coding. So let's type int s frequency equal to 0, s ASCII value equal to 0, t ASCII value is also 0. Now let's iterate on for loop s string, s dot length I plus plus. Okay, now we need to get the ASCII value. How will you get the ASCII value? Int current ASCII equals to integer of s dot char at I. Okay, now simple thing. SA that's equals to C ASCII. That's all. Let's copy paste the same thing again, going for the T, getting T characters, and here also T ASCII plus T, counting for T. Very simple, guys, same thing. Why should we write again? Now return character of TA minus SA. TA minus SA's character. Let's run this. That's all, guys. This is done. Right. I hope you understand the approach and logic here. This is one way. As I said, you can add all TA and minus SA, minus C ASCII of C string S strings ASCII character. I want you people to try this out. It's same, completely same. Instead of using two for loops, like even there we use two for loops, but instead of using two variables, we simply use one variable. So that's the only difference. I want you people to try that out, and let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.